I made a special quiz for you, more at the end of the video. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, kicking off the week here, May 23rd, 2016. And the market's in today mixed, mostly in bearish territory. You have crude oil down 0.8%, gold and silver off, with the VIX higher. The end-of-day VIX, the VIX index up 4%. The regular VIX, though, down. When I say the regular VIX, this is the ETF VIX, actually down 0.5%. Take a look here at the S&P 500 ETF, the spider. Up, 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 and this little either head and shoulder or a bull flag. Now, the line I want to share with you that's very important is for this to be a head and shoulders reversal pattern. For that to happen, the neckline has to be pierced. So first, what is the neckline? The neckline is the shoulder and head. It's that neck area, this low. Here's the head. There's the low before we go to the shoulder. Neck area. There's the low. So point and point right there. We draw that across. We broke down below that. We rallied back on Friday. We busted through it. We came back down, closing right at that line. So remember, you can always go full screen, watch this in high definition. You do that in the bottom right-hand corner. And you have here a lower high for the day, higher low. Virtually an inside trading candle. But what's interesting here is it found resistance yet again at this very important neckline. So we have broke that, it rallied back trying to get above it. Now it's acting as resistance and has done so the last 2 days. Pretty bearish, gang. From Monday, volume was extremely light. The volume very, very light. But everybody is jittery about a market, an interest rate increase by the Fed coming in June. They're anticipating that to happen, and people don't want any part of that. So I see an opportunity for more dropping to take place here relatively soon. The diamonds here, we just continue to slide southbound. Look at this low base. It's just dropping, 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 showing just a lot of weakness, no highs. NASDAQ did make a higher high and a higher low. We're above the 20-day moving average and above a lot of resistance. It'll be interesting to see how this plays itself out. Small caps had a big pop on Friday, and here on Monday we up, smash our head against the falling 20-day moving average, coming back down. But look at the 200, the 20, the 50 coming in. We're just caught right in the middle of all these moving averages. Expect a big movement soon on small caps. Crude oil. We were staying above this trend line. It's a pretty important little trend line. And then Monday, we actually dipped down back inside it. This could be a death hook, which we teach in our mentorship programs, and this could be big time bearish. So I'm watching this one like a hawk to see if this thing's going to break down. If you just look at the price action itself, it's kind of like a little mini bull flag, like it's getting ready to go bearish. But we're contending with a trend line here that's been tested once, twice, 3 times, broken support. So this, again, death hook. Very interesting to see. Then we have this gap down, run up. It's almost like it's trying to put in a bottoming formation here on gold. Gold looks like it's trying to do that, but it's below all major moving averages except the 100 and 200 day. And then silver, the same thing. We're dropping, trying to find support at the rising 50-day moving average. But man, you've got to be pretty daring to be buying here. We do have support coming across. But, for those guys that like to roll the dice sometimes, this could be a potential buy area. But it's not for me. So there you have it. Now, I told you guys I got a special quiz for you. If you go to Grok Trade, click on Trading Mentor. The quiz is at the top. It says 11 questions. There's actually 10 charts. And these are real formations on real stocks. And I want you to look at them and guess if it's a long position short position or if you would not trade it. Would you take the trade long, short, or no trade? And then after you answer the question, I show you in text what the chart did, meaning did the stock go higher or lower, by what dollar amount and percentage. And it will tell you how savvy you are as a trader. It says 11 because there's a bonus question in there too. Good luck to you on that. Catch you later.